Hello everyone, welcome back to our EquiTalks series. We are already on our EquiTalks episode number 119. Today is March 2020. My name is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. In today's episode, we will talk about AEV, and by the end of my analysis, you will know the answer to this question. Should you buy now or wait near 21.6? So by the end of this analysis, or before we begin this analysis, let me remind you that everything that I'm going to do here or say here is anchored to my proprietary methodology in my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. If you'd like to learn about my methodology, which is in my online stock market course, feel free to subscribe to the stock market subscription service of Equilyst Analytics. Without further ado, let's talk about my analysis. AEV closed today at 30.95. It went down by 3.28% as of March market closing on March 2020. The total turnover value reached 59.6 million pesos, wherein local investors were the main drivers. On the other hand, foreign fundies are net sellers with the net foreign selling worth 15 million pesos. They are also net sellers year to date. The immediate support of AEV is pegged near 21.6 while resistance is at 33.15. And the risk level of this stock is already at a moderate risk level due to its historical volatility score that's already at 59.86%. Is there a buy signal confirmation? Unfortunately, there's none because the 10 MACD and momentum power indicator are both bearish. How did I know? The last candlestick is red, it's below the 10 SMA, and the last volume bar is red and it is higher than the 50% of the stock's 10-day volume average. All of those things contributed to having a bearish 10 MACD and momentum power indicator. And this is our trade and volume distribution chart. This is where you can see the dominant range. By dominant range, I'm referring to the price points that get the biggest volume and the highest number of trades. When that dominant range is closer to the intraday low than the intraday high, it's an indication that the downtrend is more likely to continue. On our true market sentiment, it says bullish here. It's bullish. So this will have this can help you make a sound investment decision, especially if you already have a position on AEV. So let me go straight to my recommendation. So let's say you already have AEV in your portfolio, and let's assume that it is still trading above your trailing stop. Otherwise, why are you still having it, right? So under that assumption, I would recommend that you have two options. The first option is for the low risk investor. So what is it? Hold your position and reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop. Don't just hold your position, that's not enough. That recommendation is for the low risk investor. Second option, just hold your position, but there's no need to reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop because the true market sentiment is bullish anyway. But that is only for the high risk investor. Now, what if you don't have AEV? Then don't buy it yet. There's no buy signal confirmation at this point. Is that clear? Now, if you have questions, you can comment down below, and we will do our best to get back to you the soonest. Now, I mentioned about our stock market subscription service a while back. Let me introduce that to you. So, to know more about how to invest independently and trade tactically, go to equityst.com/subscribe. In this page, you will know the 6 inclusions of our stock market subscription service. Number 1, you will have access to our online stock market course. Number 2, you will receive a daily report with 10 trade ideas for short-term trading purposes. Number 3, you will have access to our investment guide for long-term investors. That's where we monitor the 30 blue chip companies. We will tell you which ones have a confirmed buy signal and the dominant range where it is most logical for you to buy. Number 4, you will have access to our private clients forum. That's where you can ask questions and request for stock analysis. Number 5, you will be eligible to our Learn to Earn affiliate program. And this is how it works. First, you need to submit your analysis first. It must be in accordance to our evergreen strategy to the online stock market course. I am going to check it personally. And if it's really that good, I'm going to ask you if you would allow us to publish it on our website. If that's fine with you, we're going to publish it with your photo, with your byline, and with your affiliate link. Because I know you're going to share it to your friends, with your friends on social media or maybe via email. Now, when someone subscribes to us through your affiliate link, you will get a 20% commission. As simple as that. Okay? So number 6, you will be able to open a free online stockbroker's account and have access to FirstMetroSec PRO, the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines today by First Metro Securities Brokerage Corporation. You will also read on this page our customers' reviews. And at the bottom are the steps on how to subscribe together with your payment options. And again, that's at equilyst.com/subscribe. And I'd like to take this opportunity to recommend and ask you to bookmark our online, public, and free stock market library. Go to equilyst.com/library. In this library, you will be able to read our news articles, our analysis, you can listen to our podcast, watch our videos, use our calculators, you can access our word bank, you can type any word that you'd like to know. Of course, it should be about the stock market and more. And at the bottom, you are free to sign up to our newsletter. And you can also follow us on all of our social media accounts. Just go to the description box down below and you will see those links to our other social media accounts. This way, when we publish a new episode, you'll be notified through email and through your favorite social media account. All right? So I hope you've learned something from this EquiTalks episode number 119 about Aboitiz Equity Ventures. And again, if you have questions, comment down below. My name is JC De Guzman. Always remember that we are here for you to learn how to invest independently and trade tactically.